Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek haul. We have some Walgreens goodies, a couple freebies, and some very cheap acts. We have a Lowe's 50% off soap dispenser and our favorite, that is Scrub Daddy products, and then an 80-cent mayonnaise over at the Dollar General. So, if you have a couple minutes, you pick a store and choose where you wish to look for these goodies, but some very respectful deals in today's haul. So the first thing we're going to do is dip over to everybody's favorite Walgreens, and a lot of the St. Patrick's Day, the cute little decor, 70% off. So it's hit that 70% mark. They want it out of the store, so it is all about Easter. And just a lot of this stuff, clearance shelves, 70% off. Use Walgreens Cash or register rewards if you like to celebrate or decorate for St. Patrick's Day. Probably a really good thing for teachers to really stock up for next year. Also, check your digital coupons folder at the very top. I got this booster yesterday, 7 back when you spend 30, valid for next week. So load it right away so we can use it starting next week. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is a freebie, and this is the product. It's called a stem light trap. So you basically plug it in, and the light attracts bugs, and then zap, zap, zap. It's $19.99. Now, if you live in a colder climate, such as, the northern part of Michigan, Minnesota, Wisconsin, probably not in stock, but if you live like in Texas, Florida, it probably is in stock, this product. We have a $10 off digital coupon, so it's going to attach to said product, dropping it down to $9.99. But hang on to your hat for a second. IBOTTA is giving back a $10 rebate, making this $20 product completely for free. So again, I just jotted this down for you. One of these traps, $19.99, subtracting the digital, pay $9.99, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for 10 back. It makes it free, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Axe body wash specifically. We have this digital coupon, which is a 6 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded. And then over on ShopMeum, there's a similar rebate of $6 back when you buy 2 of them. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back 3,000 points when you spend 15 on Unilever products. Axe is part of that. So here's the deal. Grabbing 4 of these body washes on a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $17.97. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $11.97. Photograph your receipt to ShopMeum for $6 back. And then photograph your receipt to Fetch for another $3 back. So it makes it $2.97 for the 4 body washes, or 74 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're trying to stock up on this Axe body wash, definitely a great deal this week over at Walgreens. Now, a lot of the first aid products are 90% off, including these face masks. We have a $2 My Walgreens coupon that you can use more than once, and these are currently buy one, get one free. So at $2.19, it'd be 19 cents, and there's some also for $1.99. With the $2 IVC, it would just it would reduce it down to free. And if you wanted to grab a couple boxes, because this IVC coupon attaches more than once, by all means go for it. Unfortunately, I left everything at the store. All they had were these very small masks, and I thought, there might be a teacher or an educator that want to get these for the students, or somebody that might be able to use them, and I'm like, I certainly can't use them. My face is too big. So I just left them all at the store, but a cheapie at 19 cents or a freebie if you can find the $1.99 masks. Also, other first aid products, lots of like wound cleaning, 43 cents, ringworm medication at $1.69, lots of stuff. There was a lot of stuff completely cleared at this one store I was visiting yesterday. So if you are all about first aid, or you want to make a first aid kit, by all means go and look for it. And you'll probably score really big. The next store that we're at is the Dollar General, and there is this squeeze bottle of Hellmann's for $3.80. We have a $3 digital coupon that recently showed up, so it drops this guy down to 80 cents. An awesome item to put in your Saturday 5 off 25. Now, I know that this is a digital coupon. If your store is updated, the coupon may or may not come off. And I'm just going to be honest, because a lot of us have had problems where the coupons are not coming off and it's just like, oh, what do I do? Walk or return the item. I mean, I'm not paying $3.80 for this, but I'll definitely pay 80 cents for it. If your store is non-updated, meaning, the register pad still has like a keyboard, maybe that's the way to go. I know that Dollar General, a lot of the self-checkouts, they have been closing them this week because the amount of theft. I made a whole video about that yesterday. If you wish to watch it, I'll leave it at the end. But yeah, 80 cents for a Hellman, that's definitely a stock up price. Double, triple check your expiry date as well, because you don't want to buy something that's going to expire next week. I mean, who could use that much mayonnaise that quickly? And if you were going to get a couple bottles, you want them to expire later in the year. If not, maybe, a ways back, because this does spoil, so you have to be careful and be, of an expiry date for that. But a lot of people use mayonnaise for various recipes and stuff. But 80 cents, I think, is definitely a stock up price. Good luck with this, and make sure that digital coupon comes off. If it doesn't, just void the transaction, because we're not here for paying $3.80 for mayonnaise. We want it for 80 cents. Okay, so the last store that we have now is Lowe's. A lot, but my husband was there a couple days ago and he's like, hey, you want to go to Lowe's to look around? I'm like, yeah, why not? So I went to the clearance section, and to my surprise, I found these soap daddies for $5.97 each. I think the original price was just under $10. So for $5.97, it's a very good price point, and you basically put the soap in, and you can get soap from the top or the bottom by squeezing the Soap Daddy. I've had one for maybe like a couple years, and it's a favorite. It's a way too that you don't really use too much soap for dishes or just like washing your hands if you use dish soap to wash your hands. And here's the UPC. I know that there used to be a site, BrickSeek, where you could type this in with your zip code. They've since removed that, and it's like a pay-to-play site. So whatever. I don't use that anymore. But sometimes if you go to Lowe's website, you possibly could track them down. Also, they had these for $13.97. I think they were $7.97 at one time at some stores last Christmas. But $13.97, and it comes with the little daddy caddy that you can sit the sponge in, so it doesn't like hit the bottom of your sink. So, I mean, $14 compared to $20, you're still saving $6. Use an IBOTTA gift card if you might have one to pay for all of this. That's what I did with my soap daddies, so I wasn't really feeling it out of pocket. And then I took the liberties, guys, to show you the UPC if you want to look for the exact one. And again, I wish that BrickSeek still allowed, unsubscribed members to look stuff up, but they have since removed that. So, yeah. Interesting that these products are both on clearance. I wonder if they're not going to be carried at Lowe's or what's going on with them, but that's a mystery for another day. I would get out and look for that if you are a fan of Scrub Daddy products. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.